the Georgia boxer. He might come back much better from the first round. What do you think?
Hopefully his corner give him a better game plan, because as of the first round, there wasn't much apart from him trying to fight back after being attacked. But he's come back strong. You can see he can take a shot. So we may be in for a surprise in the second round. We'll have to wait and see.
Let's see what's going to happen in the second round. Both boxers are they have good experience. Rally Sangha from India has WBC super featherweight youth, and the Georgia boxer has a good experience. Let's see if maybe this round is going to use his experience, yes?
Round 2, let's go.
Round 2, guys. Rally Sangha showing his technique. And Ellie's still doing the same mistake he did from the first round. I think he should definitely be working the jab. Yeah, instead of walking in and just trying.
His movement's pretty good, but he's just not working the jab. And Lasanga's starting to tee off now. Not worried about what's coming back, which is normally quite a problem.
You can see that Lasanga is taking his time, staying focused with each and every punch he throw.
There we go. The ref may have to have a little look here.
No, I don't think the referee
coming back. Not much coming back from the red corner.
But he's responding to the punches. That was a slip. Yeah. Something has to be done with the time, but maybe his rest. Good job from the second round.
Yeah, the ref's having a close look at this.
I don't think the referee can stop the fight because Ali is moving his head and you can see he's trying to respond. Yeah. Alexander getting a warning from a referee telling him please don't hold. Keep it clean. Good shot. I don't understand why Eddie is not using his jab. And he looks to be the bigger boxer here.
He seems to just be a little bit overwhelmed at the moment.
Oh, what an uppercut. Referee telling them to break. They need to listen to his corner and use his jab.
Thank you.
Left to the second round. So far it's all been Sangtea. Good body shot from